Hello, welcome to the Marc Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about this PC, right? This computer that gets shipped with malware and spyware already installed. That's crazy, right? But before I talk about it, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Can you imagine we live in times where you get computers that ship with malware? Apparently, this mini PC maker ships systems with factory installed spyware, and this PC in question is called acemagic, right? It says the issue was contained in the first shipment, right? Let me know if you believe them in the comment section below. So there is this guy called John from the Net Guy Reviews YouTube channel that claims to have found spyware inside the acemagic AD08 mini PC that he received for review. Other models, including the AD15 and S1, reportedly presented a similar spyware problems. As a quick introduction, Shenzhen, wow, I'm about to say Peter, put that name on the screen, Peter. Shenzhen Sheminhang Technology Company, also known as Mini PC Union, owns different brands. They have the acemagic / Ace Magician. They have the Camru, the Nip-Pogi, and the C-Tone. So many of the cheap mini PCs on Amazon are cookie cutter products. Sometimes the only difference is specifications. That's why the acemagic AD08, for example, looks identical to the Camru AM08. So according to John, Windows Defender initially detected suspicious files from the recovery partition from the NVMe drive installed inside the acemagic AD08, which the reviewer received through drop shipping from the fulfillment by Amazon FBA service. The infected files consist of two executables, the ENDEV and the EDIDEV. So let me say that one more time because I'm pretty sure I all these names, man, man. So let's talk about these. Let me say these two executables again: ENDEV and EDIDEV. So the malware belongs to the Blanda Bindi and Redline families, which steal stored passwords from browsers and cryptocurrency wallets, log the victim's keystrokes, and extract information from the infected system, among other illicit activities. A complete system scan revealed additional spyware files hiding in the Windows folder. Virus Total confirmed Windows Defender's diagnostics. A total of 50 security vendors flagged the files as malicious. One Amazon buyer who purchased the acemagic AD08 also reported malware inside the system. So the YouTuber's experience wasn't an isolated incident, right? So there was there's a quote and it says, "Arrived with malware installed, backdoor Win32/Blanda Bindi, a backdoor Trojan, which is a remote access tool known for its data stealing capabilities, is a hard-coded into the Windows recovery, so it would not be wiped on reset. Windows was also a spoofed version, not a valid product key." Man, what do you guys think of this in the comment section below? So meanwhile, Richard Dino, who picked up an AK1, stated, "Okay, first things first, this computer backdoor Win32/Blanda Bindi and Trojan malware. These are, the files endev.executable and endidev.executable in the folder C Windows OS version." Peter, you can put that on the screen. There's also copies of these on the restore information. So if you do a system restore, they'll be reinstalled. It's also odd that it comes with Chrome pre-installed, but given the other malware, I wouldn't trust the copy they installed, right? So that's how they're trying to get people nowadays, man. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe, subscribe, hit that like button. See you in the next video.